How are you? Today we're going to draw a water lily flower from the letter U. First, let's draw a letter U here. Then we draw another letter line here. This is another line. Let's draw another line like this, and also another line like this. Let's draw at the bottom like this. There's a branch here. We can connect now like this, like this. These are the petals of the water lily flower. Also two petals here. This is the petal in the middle. We can put little water and the leaves here like this. Little wrinkles in the middle. Another leaf here along with the wrinkles. This is another little flower just blooming. It's going to be the future water lily. All right, we can put little shades from one side. Here, here, and here. All right, let's make the water lily red petals. We can draw like this. Let's put it like the shade of red. Also these petals, getting the red shade. The darker shade one side and it becomes lighter to the other part. So beginning from the darker, we're going towards the lighter part. All right. So now we can put the green part here. All right. This is the leaves floating on the water. Maybe there are some color variations. It looks nice. Now we can put little the blue color to show that it's on the water. All right, Let's make the little one red too. Alright, I hope you guys like the video. This is the final submission of water lily drawing. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and put the bell icon on for any updates. Thank you. Have a good day.